Your showcase features prizes carried by the USS Locke's space cargo ship, commanded by Pluck Roger. Well, gang, old Pluck has run out of luck again and plowed straight into a foreign spaceship, resulting in Pluck's ship being boarded by a hostile visitor, demanding to speak with his leader. John yells to his crew to bring out a new refrigerator freezer. The Amana 2 plus 2.5 energy-saving refrigerator with 2 inches of foam wall insulation around the refrigerator, plus 2.5 around the freezer. More insulation, saving more energy, only from Amana. Now the alien is demanding food, and Pluck sends for a new hot dog cart. A complete rolling food and drink server under a gay 6.5-foot umbrella, with hibachi to cook steaks, a warming compartment, cold salad tray, and ice compartment from Hammacher Schlemmer. And since the visitor ship is now space scrap, it demands to spend the night while repairs are made. No problem, says the captain, as he leads the thing over to their cargo hold for accommodations in a new trailer. A new light travel trailer from Comfort Industries for your family to enjoy on weekends and vacations. Self-contained with galley, dining, sleeping facilities, even a shower. The very popular Model 15 Comfort Light. Keeping in mind that all the ship's cargo could be yours if you bid correctly and don't wake up the creature.